Burnt down on blade. I burnt them
Okay,
down.
so let's say what we
Fresh
doing.
pack.
All right, so what we doing, Pooh?
We doing brake pads.
Front brake pads
Look at that
on.
shit.
Front brake pads on.
On the what?
We gotta watch our language because it's YouTube.
A 345.
A 3, but all right, come on, Pooh. Let's be professional. We doing front brake pads on a what?
Look how low it is.
On a what?
On the Charger. Dodge Charger. 345.
All right, and now let's see the old ones. Let's see the new ones.
Thick as hell.
Them the good ones. What you got, ceramic? I'll say on a Dodge Charger, but what year though, Pooh?
2019.
2019? Okay. What you doing right now, Pooh?
Pushing the brake caliper back in.
I should have got you from the beginning. I don't know what I was thinking.
They gonna know though. They gonna know regardless.
So what you doing as you doing it? You gotta talk while you doing it, brother.
You already know. Putting the brake caliper, pushing it back in, pushing them 2 pistons back in.
And that's it.
Put the new ones on. Bolt everything back down. This bitch.
So what's that tool you using? What's that called?
It's a C clamp.
A C clamp. Okay. And you holding the caliper, right?
Yeah.
And the brakes go up and up.
Yeah.
And and you got 2 pistons. Okay.
Yeah.
But every car ain't gonna have 2 pistons though, right?
Nah, they can have
Just
more
one.
than 2. They can have 1.
They can have 2.
Yeah.
I think I got the 1 though, innit?
Shit, you probably got 2, 3. This bitch hot. I should have waited.
We might have to cut that out, man.
Huh?
I told you we gotta watch our language on the YouTube.
I can't cuss.
Nah, I mean I think you can cuss, but it's like we might not get it monetized. YouTube been getting on dirt as far as you know, what videos they gonna let you get paid off of and whatnot. You know, everybody been getting too rich off of them. So you know how that is.
Hey, mama.
They start cracking down.
Red.
And look what I'm finna start doing.
Thirsty in a minute, baby. I'm finna get thirsty in a minute.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
All right, so where you supposed to get that shit from? Okay. Yeah. In a minute. So they put barbecue and shit. Yeah. Huh? Okay. Well, I'll be right here behind your car. Huh? Thank you. Okay. Whatever. Don't make it too late.
I know, right?
I'm for real.
Don't make it too late, Pooh. Man, Pooh, you got all the sauce, man. It's all because of your car. No, I'm just laying. That car a motherfucker, though, man. The car's a motherfucker. They got comfy as hell behind your shit. They fuck it. Give y'all a whole preview of what's going on, man.
Look at them fresh ones in that bitch.
All right, so you got the brakes done?
Fresh ones in that bitch.
Okay.
Fresh pack.
So now what you do now? You putting the caliper on top of it?
Look at that bitch locked right in. Look at that. Now it's time to put the wheel back on,
That's
man.
it.
Tighten it up. Time
That's
to put the
it.
wheel back on.
Hey, Mechanic Pooh.
Please leave your message.
Can't make it up.
This the Mopar Mechanic.
I can't make this up.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, that's gonna be your YouTube name, the Mopar Mechanic. Hey, and look, why we putting the videos up immediately? Ain't no more. We not even doing editing.
Oh, yeah.
Ain't no more waiting, cause ain't no telling when another phone gonna come up missing.
Right.
I just lost 4 phones, bought them all back yesterday. Ain't trying to do it again. You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
But all that footage gone. Holding it in your gallery and your holding it in your phone ain't gonna do nothing. That ain't gonna get us paid.
Uh-huh.
So what you doing now? You gotta explain yourself,
Shit,
bro.
tighten the bolts up.
You
look.
tightening the bolts up?
Simple, man. Simple. Finish. Gonna go to the next side. On mama now.
Facts. Oh yeah, you cold, boy. Doing your brakes on the Charger, you a motherfucker. Yeah, I don't know if they gonna accept this one, bro. We doing a lot of cursing. Yeah. We doing a lot of cursing, man.
I ain't say too much, though.
Nah, you didn't, but then I just hit him with the MF'er
Oh,
on the real.
ain't nothing but warm ups.
That just little warm-ups, little lemon pepper steppers, you know? Just some lemon pepper steppers, nothing major. Nothing major for a pager. So you basically done with this ad.
Yeah.
Get a better angle.
I'm in already, huh? I'm in with red.
Please leave your message.
Shit, either she heard what was going on or she on the phone.
Finish.
Finish?
Time for the wheel.
All right, man. That's it for this video, man.